Hi there, good people. My name is Kutono Mokwena. Welcome to Evergreen Hideout. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you and make an update on our onion crops. Now, these onion crops were planted throughout winter. Hopefully, we can harvest them before season spring ends. Please like and subscribe on the boys YouTube channel. Let's get started. There we go. Now, this is our onion vegetable. It's not many, but as you can see, it is growing. Now, I wanted to dig one out to show you the size of it. Now, as you can see, it's coming very great, very nice, very beautiful. Now, for this onion right here, I think we've planted it a little bit too late, because by this time of the season, the bulb should be at least this size. So I'm not saying that as it is right now, I am going to harvest it. No. What we are going to do is make sure that we try to fertilize it heavily, but also consider that we do not want to lose our crops with heavy feeding. Now, as you can see, another one right here. This one is a little bit better than the other one. Now, as you can see, and this is also how we check our onions. We don't dig them out to the size of the roots. We only dig around the plant. As long as the roots are attached to the soil and not disturbed, you can easily see how mature they are coming. Now, after digging around, make sure that you close. Now, the interesting part about us when we grow our vegetables is that we utilize chicken feathers compost. Now, this is chicken feathers compost. And again, we also use fish fertilizers. We make sure that our vegetables enjoy the nutrients of nitrogen, because nitrogen is what helps the crops to grow. Now, on today's video, I'm not going to utilize the fertilizer. I'm just making an update to show you how the vegetables are coming. Now, as you can see, the leaf size. Now, these leaves right here are also edible. You can make them your gravies, your salads, and you can enjoy a good meal. Now, we also have a few seedlings that we've also planted late, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to showcase them. Now, what you have to do is to make sure that your raised beds do not have weeds. Now, as you can see, mine, they do have weeds, but they are not too much to a point where they can suffocate our onions. Now, the species of this, I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's a white onion. On the other section of the garden, we made sure to plant purple onions. Now, hopefully later throughout the season, before spring season ends, I'm going to show you the results of those purple onions. So we actually took a risk to plant these onions, but seeing the results right now, we are happy with them. So with your onions growing like this, you can either choose to make seeds from them. Now, they will produce a stem right here in the center that will showcase like a flower, and those will be seeds. You can harvest them and wait for next year winter season and grow your onions. So there you go. Now, most of these root plants, they need too much water. You have to make sure that you irrigate on them. You have to make sure that you irrigate on them. At least maybe 2 liters per raised bed. Now as you can see the size of my raised bed here, I make sure that at least 2 liters. So, thank you for watching. Now that you've seen my onion crops, please like and subscribe on the Boys YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next one.